Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sleep mode in your Windows 10 device. So if you turn off the sleep mode in Windows 10, so your PC will never go into in sleep mode. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you just have to go to your start menu. Then you just have to go to your settings option. Right click on settings option. Then when the settings menu come on, then you can see there's an option called system. You just have to click on system here. Then in the left menu here you can see there's an option called power and sleep. You have to click on power and sleep here. Now you can see there's a lot of option in screen and sleep. So there's on battery power, PC goes to sleep after 1 hour, and when plugged in PC goes to sleep after 45 minutes. So if you want to uh, turn off the time here, you just have to expand the option here, and you can see there's an option called never. So you just have to click here never, and when plugged in, so when the charger is on, you just have to expand the option here, and you have to click the option never here. So your PC will never go to sleep ever when your PC on battery power, also in when plugged in. So when the PC is charging. So these settings will never go to sleep in your Windows 10 device. And also if you don't want to uh, turn off your screen, you just have to expand the option here and tick on never. And when plugged in, expand the option here and same as choose the never option. So if you choose all the never option, your PC will never, screen will never turn off, and PC will never go to sleep mode when you're on battery power or your PC is charging. So this is a very simple tutorial for you. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.